Yeah, here's just a quick little video that I hope can help some of you out if you own a Kia Sportage and have experienced a annoying kind of rattle coming from the back of the vehicle, usually at low speed, backing up, maybe leaving your driveway. It was absolutely driving me up the wall. And I thought there was a exhaust hanger loose or something like that. But essentially what I found it was that this strike back here, when you flip your seat down, was actually doing the rattling inside the latch part right here. So here's my real high-tech fix. I took black electrician's tape and wrapped it around that front part of that bar, the straight part. And so now when it latches, there's no give to that anymore, and you don't get that rattle. I've been told it might have something to do with it being unibody construction, and that there is some flex to the vehicle. Well, if that's the case, then it was a side effect of that. But regardless, I have since not experienced that noise anymore. So if that is a problem that you've been having, I can just about guarantee that'll take care of it. Happy motoring.